So I have my Rigid Heddle Loom in front of me, and I went ahead and completed the warp. I've tied it on, which you'll see throughout the video process that I have. And the way I have threaded it has made this where I'm going to do a log cabin pattern. And the reason I picked it is because it is a plain weave pattern. So it's just up, down, slots, and holes. But every time I change a shed, it's going to change which thread is at the front. So you'll see I'll have groups, and I'll show you a little bit closer up front. I have groups of 6, because I have 12 ends per inch, so I want each block to be 1 inch. So that you'll have 6 threads of each color in a block, and the top half will be one color and the bottom half will be the other color. So let me bring you over here and give you a closer look. So this is a color weave pattern. So where we have these, it's going to create stripes horizontally and vertically in each one by putting some on the top, and you can see the color corresponding under it. And under this one is the brown, and under this one is the green. And it continues like that, and we're going to end up getting a log cabin pattern, which is very elaborate for being a plain weave, and I think you guys are going to love it. All right, so right here I have my Rigid Heddle Loom. It's all set to go. Go ahead and don't forget to like and subscribe if you want to see more of this content. The next video to come out will actually be the process of just weaving the whole pattern, and hopefully you guys love it. Thanks.